Hi everybody, it's 2018 and yes, your girl is here. She is trying to do the darn thing. You know, it's funny because at the end of the day, I told myself this is something that I always wanted to do. And I said, I just always say that about everything. And then I get this sense of, oh, just put it off, put it off. Not this year. This year, I made a list, a factual list. And I told myself and I inspired myself to say, you know what? Do it. Just do it. Just at least try to do it. You know, it's no worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is, hey, I tried it. It's no failure moments because all I can say is that everything comes with a learning experience. So, and I've had some learning experience. Well, you know, it's like my blog, my podcast thing that I'm trying to do. I didn't watch other people do it. I realized at the end of the day, I learned some stuff from it. I'm still learning on how to do this, but you know, I even watched some people who I say, you know what, no, you could do way better if you just set your limit. Your limit is none. So I'm bringing this to you with the start of the new year in hopes that I'll gain some real followers that will not like. It's your choice. But at the end of the day, just be inspired by just things about stuff that, we all think about. So at the end of the day, nobody else wanted to talk about it. Somebody wanted to talk about it and just had differences of opinions. So I'm going to leave y'all with this. At the end of the day, that's my statement. Toot. And we're going to go ahead and just do some stuff. You never know who I might have up here. I got some friends now, y'all. I got some friends, but you never know what's going to pop up on my podcast / blog / introductory to who I am and just things about life that maybe we just all needed to just hear. Something that just might get us over that hump. So I'm signing off in hopes that everybody is inspired by the spirit that I'm trying to bring, and in hopes that this thing too will continue and not shall pass. So, everybody, first podcast of today. Hey, in hopes that everybody's having a great day today, and you will see the girl explore new interests, and this is one of them. Toot toot, and bye.